There he is. WordPress man 387. Boom, 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 boom. Friday stream, Friday stream. Woo! Testing, testing. 1, 2. Can you hear me? You did a minor update to indepon.com? Oh, hell yeah. Call me when it's a major update. Just kidding. Ooh, I like it. It's looking pretty good. Got a little gradient going on. Nice. You have you dove into Shade Shade CN, I think it is. What is it? Shade CN. Yeah. You should check this out with Tailwind. You're using it? Okay. Good. Because yeah, it looks like you have some good dynamic stuff, components. So it looks like you are using it somewhat. I like it. Jalab. What? This looks like exactly the same. Hey, this actually looks pretty good. I like it. Ha. Ba. Da. Bra. Da. Bra. That's good. We need to crop it though. I forget how to do it. How do you crop the other way? Oh, you didn't put a little puller, but you can. Perfect. Finish. Yeah, man. Just a little bit more tweaking on this system. And this could really be useful, honestly. You're even showing, you know, the original and the new duration. 292. Alright, we'll do something like that. Loop, loop. Redoing everything. I don't get how you... This is beautiful, by the way. I don't get how you lost the code, but the code is live. Like, don't you have access to the server? Can't you just download it, like, with SFTP or something? I mean, the code's there. Use it. I'm looking at it. So you got this right here. Source. Static. Chunks. I mean, this is all the code, man. I know it's all compiled. But you can probably uncompile this. You know? It's all there, though. But you did it once, you could do it again. And stronger this time. let's add a category. Technically, we are working on the game today. But, as I posted earlier in the game dev chat in Discord, I want to continue on our assets. I don't know if you saw, but I posted the kind of the rework to new assets. Stream info. Game and software development. Yeah, sure. Cool. So, what I mean is this. Welcome to Orbem. So we got our characters here. We've got Graham, we've got Iona, John, and we got Jeannie. Yeah, I heard some more juice stuff going on. That's horrible. He's a crazy person, you know, what do you expect? And now apparently he has autism, and he was misdiagnosed with bipolar, and now he's just talking shit again. Honestly, I was having a conversation about this with my wife. This is not just about Kanye West. This is about all uber popular, very rich people that are in that status for decades. When they are put in a public forum talking to normal people that aren't getting paid by him, they sound and act like psychopaths. Elon Musk, you know, it's the same example of that. He's surrounded by people that he pays, you know, or are employed by him. And so when he talks on a live stream to normal people, we're like, this guy's a fucking alien. Like, he's a psychopath. It's like, no, he's just been so rich for so long in a bubble and doesn't know how to talk to normal people anymore, or can't relate. I saw a quick skit. I forgot what the skit company was. It was just a YouTube video that caught my eye. It was like how billionaires act around millionaires or whatever. It was like a bunch of rich people all talking together, and just how like even they couldn't connect, because it's like they're all making jokes about poor people. He's like, oh yeah, I bet they don't even, you know, have their birthdays in space or whatever, and they're all looking at him like, oh yeah. It's just like being super rich takes you away from reality, because you can do whatever you want. Money rules everything in this our current universe. It didn't used to, obviously. Back when you had to make your own shit, you had a farm, you had, you know, you made your own shit, and it wasn't about money, it was about survival, right? Now we survive off of, you know, government. The government can just, you know, keep you alive. So now more money is what matters, right? And it changes your perspective on everything. I mean, I've gone through a lot of iterations of finances over the years, and I even, you know, my lifestyle has changed dramatically in the past 30 years, you know what I mean? Or I guess I should say, like, past 18 years. Struggle to entertain now, or be entertained, then struggle to survive. Yeah. Yeah, now we're all like, why am I sitting around, you know, not being entertained? How am I supposed to go to the bathroom if I don't have my phone to watch something, you know? Or like how do I survive in the car without my stand-up comedy or my fucking, you know, podcast or whatever I got going on? My Audible. What up, Gustavo Ramirez? Welcome to the party on YouTube Shorts live feed. I appreciate your presence. Sorry I went on a tangent because Indy was talking about Kanye. And anyways, yeah, like I said, any rich person at that level for decades is going to sound like a psychopath to normal people. And the people that don't, they don't live the same lifestyle. You know, when you like see a down-to-earth Keanu Reeves or whatever else, it's like they don't live their lives, you know, surrounded by yes men, tons of crews, you know, bodyguards, you know, homies living in their fucking house. They live a normal lifestyle with their normal wives, and you know, they view their celebrity and their money as a blessing, and they give a lot of it away, and they contribute to the economy more than just having a big house or big jewels or mega yachts, rocket ships, that kind of stuff. Yeah. At least that's what I think, and I can't wait to get that rich and be a psychopath as well. Help me. Help me become that rich. I want to be like an alien too. But yes, here are our characters. These are my starting points for the main characters. Their jackets are a little bit off in color. I'm gonna need to fix that. I think Genie's right now is a little more off than I'd like. So let's get rid of some skin section here so that I can do a little color correction. It's mostly just... Oh yeah, you know, I want to keep the color on her shirt too. So let's also... Oh, no, we want to negative. Yeah, that's better. I gave them all black pants. They didn't have to have black shirts, but it's kind of like, yeah, I mean, you're all working in Thyrus, right? So you all kind of have a similar look. But Jeannie's a rebel. She's an older, grumpy Irish woman, so I think this works. John looks strong. Iona looks fast. Graham looks, I don't know, like me, kind of. And Jeannie looks... I don't know. I guess not impervious to fire and stuff, but she is. So we shall see. Here, let's get some more stream avatars going. So now I'm at the point where obviously I think Graham and John, I could do a walking animation with them pretty easily. I have Iona and Jeannie kind of facing forward, so that's good for the down walking animation, but I need to give them a little bit more of a 3/4 turn. Oh, pop. Yeah, because I want to replace the current avatars I'm using on the site in the game. So we're going to focus on it one at a time. This isn't going to be easy to make. I think I'm still going to go GIF. Only problem is I tried to vectorize these. Are you going to be using these as the animated sprites? Yeah. Yes. And that's another change I need to implement. Before, all I was doing was like swapping image names and literally loading a new image every time I change direction. Now what I want to do is either go sprite and just move the position of the sprite. Hey, C Films, how you doing, man? I'm doing great. So either sprite, or I just want to do 4 or 8. I'm considering putting in diagonal. Considering it. Right now I have my logic set up that it doesn't need it, but I'll consider that. So yeah, I'll probably go with the 4 images, which he's already right. I can just mirror it to go left. Not a big deal. He doesn't have a fake arm yet. And then yeah, I'm gonna have all 4 images there and just switch between them instead of how I was doing it before. That way, it's not trying to load an image that doesn't exist. It was kind of like, it was kind of a dumb way of handling it. I was, yeah, like switching from GIF to PNG and that kind of stuff. So instead, I'll just switch the image, and I'm going to put a spot where you can upload the image for your left, right, top, and bottom as well. So let's get that working. That's going to go a long way for every character, you know, including the enemies. So we're going to start with Graham. Doop, bop, boop, tap. Okay. And, like I said, I was trying to vectorize this, but this create object mosaic has been running for like 6 hours. And I'm kind of just like curious what's going to happen if it actually finishes, because it has moved. It started here and then it slowly moved. And I don't really understand why it's taking so long to create the object mosaic. I mean, usually it's like for small pixel things, so like 16 by 48 or whatever. This one's like 300 by 400 or whatever. So I'm guessing it's just because of the scale, but can't be that much. It seems excessive. Yeah, because when I made it too small, it looked shit. Like, you couldn't even see what it was. I need this to have more pixels than, like, 8-bit. It's not going to be 8-bit. But, anyways. So, for now, we'll just Photoshop. We'll do timeline. We'll do timeline animations. Move the legs around. I don't know. We're going to have to play with it. And play with it we shall. We shall play hard. So let's get the party going. Let's get the party going. Now it's time to party, and we'll party hard. We'll start with just the normal standing movement. I think I'm gonna go with the whole bobbing head thing like I was doing before. I don't know. That seemed pretty good. I think I was gonna look at what the fuck? My bad. I wasn't on you. So his head is detached. So when he's just standing there, he's just gonna kind of bob his head. I mean, let's see what that looks like. I don't really know yet what I want to do with that. We'll see. So for Graham, we have his head. Let's let's add. I gotta remember how to do this. I'm used to working in the classic timeline editor. I was using this for video editing, but I need to remember how to add motion. Here we go. So pan, pan, pan. What does pan do? I assume. Oh! Shit. Apparently pan and zoom are the same thing. Okay. Good to know. Let's see. How do you add just movement? Oh, I think I can just do this where I go here and then let's move him down a little bit and then up a little bit. And then I think it just works. Right? How do you play? No? It didn't do anything. Okay. That's fine. I did that wrong. Jump scare. Giant head. Yeah, I mean, these are the keyframes. I don't get why it's... Maybe it's loading while I do that. Let's see. How do you insert motion? I thought it was like motion. See, this is like pre-built motion, but I just want to move it. Oh wait, what's this plus button? No, that's adding more. Okay. So I think it's like this, maybe. And then we'll add another one where it's down, maybe. And then maybe it'll just work. Well, why did it go down there? Okay. You. Down. You. Don't be down. I guess it would have to be a different layer. No, that's not how you do it. Is this keyframe? Just transform image? We got this. We're gonna figure this out. It's got to be an option. Convert to frame animation. Yeah, but I wanted to try to do it in the new stuff. Oh, here we go. Shit, there it is. Position. I knew there was something I was missing. Alright. So it's gonna be like here. We're gonna do a position time frame here. We're gonna go do. And then we're gonna go here. And we're gonna do another position. It's the same as Premiere Pro. Do. Something like that. And now he'll kind of bob. Bob. Wait, that's weird. How come this one didn't stay where I wanted it? Oh, I need to add... Ah, that's right. You gotta add a position at the beginning. So let's just do this. Copy this one. New. Can I copy? Welcome! Oh, God.
Order just followed.
Andy, you're really screwing up my numbers here. With all your fake accounts. And now you faked my follower goal. How long until we ban Indy? That's what I want to know. How long? I assume it's going to happen someday. Definitely not like wanting it. -2 days. I think you want to be banned though. I think that's like your goal right now. Come on. There we go. First one. And then a new one. Oh, I keep turning it off. First one. New one. Right here. Where I go down. And then we'll do another one where I go up. Yeah, there you go. Now we'll speed it up a little bit by moving them closer. And then we'll... Let's make this a lot shorter. And let's loop that. Or do I turn loop on? Or is it automatically looping? I think it might be. Yeah, there you go. So now you got a little head bob. It's pretty good. It's a little bit maybe too much of a bob because it looks like he's dancing a little bit. So let's actually go up a little bit more. Let's also make it a little shorter. And go. Is that a good standing animation? I don't even know anymore. Blinks. Should lifts like breathing or always go to idle? Blinks. Oh, and shoulders lift. Yeah, I'm not... With this new graphic, I'm not really digging the head bob anymore. Let's make him blink and lift the shoulders a little bit. That's what you're thinking? Alright, let's redo this then. Okay. So now what we need to do, let's add some eyelids. We shall create eyelids. We can make him better. Eyelids, eyelids, eyelids. So in order to create eyelids, this is a hard part. I'm not in pixel editing mode, so it's not like a crisp square. So I think I'll make it in that. What? Indy. Thanks for the subscription, my friend. Okay. Let's make him smaller. That's the only thing that'll make this editing work. Let's make him... Let's see, how small do we need him to be? We need them to be like 100 pixels high, 150 high. I know right now it's 100 by 100 in the game, so thinking about this guy 100, because the scale's different now. The heads aren't like super big. Just take the skin color and put a layer between the eye mask. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, well, I want to do an actual layer so I can make him blink and shit. Oh, well, it's Friday somewhere, and that includes with me. So let's get ready for the best part of everybody's night, and you know, have some fun. All right. Cheers. Happy Friday, everybody. Fantabulous. It's glorious. How am I not live? Am I not live? Oh, I am live. I'm going to refresh. Feels like I'm behind. Yeah, there we go. All right. What just happened? Oh, I clicked something. That was weird. My bad. I don't know why I did that. Okay, you know what? Whatever. We'll make it 100. 100 is good. 100 high. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. Which will make pixel editing much easier. As you see when you get into here, now it's pixel based. So... And when it's at 100%, this is what it's going to look like. I don't think that's 100%, is it? Maybe. Shoot. Are you really going to look that small? What? This is too small. What are people usually? Nah, see, that's not 100. That's 100. Photoshop's lying. It's more like, okay. It's more like that. 160. Pez dispenser time? Hell yeah, man. So it's gonna be more like this, I guess. But is that too small? Oh, shit, I zoomed. It's 160? Something like that. That's kind of small, man. You can't really see any of his detail, huh? I'm gonna do 150. Yeah, I can always make it smaller later. I definitely want it smaller right now, though, so that I can edit it with pixel perfection. So let's try making the width 100. How about that? No, that's too big. Let's make the height. Let's start with 200. Why not? 200? That's like this big. That's a pretty good character. I mean, he won't be able to walk through any of the walls that I have so far. But that's fine. That's actually a pretty good size for looking at somebody in this game. I mean, the head size matches now. It's just the body's a little bigger. Ooh, pizza party on Monday. Hell yeah. That's exciting. How about we split the middle? We do like 180. So we can do like 66 wide. How about this? That's still pretty good. I like that. Yeah. Still a lot of detail comparatively. Yeah. Especially when I get this actually like mosaicked. And I'll try mosaicing this a little better. But now at least I can get into the pixel art portion of it, which is basically just jumping in here and covering his eyes with skin. Disgusting. Disgusting. Look at us. Pixel art. Do. Pixel art. Did anybody know that we could do pixel art? I should just make him have one eye. That's what I'm thinking. What do you think? Alright, let's get rid of some of this. Some of this. And that's a pretty good skin tone. And now let's add a little bit of... I don't know. Does it need to have like discoloration around it? I don't think that's a blink. Or is it just like on the bottom? I don't know. What's a blink look like? I guess it's so quick. Yeah, it's quick, right? Should I add some discoloration on the top maybe? Like the shadowing of the eyelid? It looks like he's going ding. He looks like he's winking at me now. But it looks like it's coming up instead of going down, doesn't it? Blink, blink. Maybe we need to put a line in the middle. Let's do that. Like, where his eye's actually closing and not, like, lifting up like an alien. Let's try this, if we do something like this. And I need to go lighter. But this is more like a blink, right? Yeah. Yeah. Blink. Why are you winking at me, bro? Yeah, let's change that color. Let's make it... Do we have a better, lighter color I can use? Maybe like the peachy color? Oh, why don't we use a lighter color? That's more natural, huh? Yeah, something like that. Actually, I want to go with the curve. There we go. No, it looks really weird. How about... Oh, shit. Something like that. Oh, that's the same color as I have been using. What about you? Let's try you. If not, I'm just gonna have to manually make this color. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to manually make this. So let's make this a little darker. Who knows how this is gonna come out? Oh, god damn it. That's why this hasn't been working. I'm on the wrong layer. Alright, that's pretty good. It feels like the whole eye needs to be outlined though, doesn't it? I know it doesn't, and it's weird looking. Okay, I mean it kind of looks like he has a fat eye, but wink. Wink. Maybe it needs to be lighter even. If I can't get this to work, I'm just going to do what we said and just leave it alone. Let's go a little lighter though. Yeah, that's a little more natural. Still a little weird, but let's go with it for now. It is fast though, you're right. So let's add the other eye. We are closing your other eye. Don't mind me just closing your other eye. See, Jedham's stream when he makes assets in Blender is way cooler. I think. Like it's so animated. He's working with physics in the earth. Like it's so much cooler. Alright, and then let's match this little weird discoloration that I added. And there. Oh look, he's sleeping. Really feel like I need a little bit of gradual lid top color. Yeah, this will be a lot better. Yeah, now we talking. Yeah, it looks a little bit more natural now, right? As I spill. All right, ready? Blink. You can't tell me that's not beautiful. Okay. So here's your blink animation. What am I doing here? Is this my blink? So let's have this, where we will do do, and then do. Ooh, that's a pretty cool blink. We'll make it sporadic, so we'll do 2 at a very odd time signature, like that, and then maybe we'll go a little bit quicker and then put one there. No, I'm doing the wrong thing. There we go. It's too small now. Alright. Oh my god. This fucking timeline. It takes some getting used to. I remember when I was doing the video for the Twitch alerts that I had to get used to this shit. Wait, what? Oh, good. Still working. Wait, what? Okay, hold on. Can't I just like copy the position and everything? Wait, you. Why is it over there? Oh, it's because I'm actually fucking around here. Hold on. I guess we can see, it makes a video group and it makes it different. That's fine. We'll just use opacity. How about that? And not fuck around. We like to party. We like to party. So we'll start here. Opacity is at How do I control opacity? Let me control you, opacity. Oh, I just changed opacity. Got it. Oh, I'm on the wrong layer. Doop. We're gonna get the hang of this, I promise. So we're gonna go 0. Opacity. Add a thing. Oh wait, where am I? God damn it. Oh, there I am. Alright. Okay. Opacity. Add a thing. 0. And then randomly I'm going to turn it on here. And we're going to go 100. Alright. Nope. We have to start with 0 right here. 0. Come on. Why isn't it adding one? Oh, okay. And then quickly turn it on. And then turn it back off. Oop. Alright, let's see if that works. My eyes. There we go. I mean, that's pretty quick for a blink, but blinks are quick, huh? And now let's do that again randomly over here. You have a surprise birthday party to attend to tomorrow, so you gotta leave early. Ah, man. Yeah, don't worry about it, dude. Create more accounts, so I'll feel like there's 4 people. Just kidding, don't do that, please. Okay, now we got another 0, and we'll go 100, and then we'll go back to 0. All right. Perfect. Ooh, bowling alley. Hell yeah. That's gonna be a lot of fun. Love bowling parties. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Alright, well, if I could stop selecting. There we go. Now we can see it. That's pretty good. It's a little quick, huh? Between blinks. Let's move it out a little bit. And let's give it another breath. I just want to see if that's just... It is a little fast. Party. Bowling party. Party with music now. Alright, go. Oh yeah, that's much more natural blinking. Is that too much blinking? Should I just do 1? Like 1 randomly at the beginning? I'm almost thinking it's just too much blinking. You know what I mean? It should be like pretty... Right? I think that's better, right? Or it's just randomly happening. Yeah, I like that better. Cool. Breathing, huh? What's breathing like? So, probably stretching the body up and down, maybe? I guess I could separate the shoulders and just kind of lift them. So we can do like, do something right here. Now it has its own thing. And, let's do this. And we can just add a little bit of a little bit of movement. Position. I guess we'll do like a starting position and then does it like so probably should like randomly happen not when he's blinking. So there's the blink. It's gonna be a little weird. Let's try it out though. Oop. We'll do that. And then we'll kind of just move it up a tick. Nope. How do I gotta lock this head? Lock. Wait, come on, let me lock you, bitch. Lock. Okay. And then let's go you. And we'll go like subtly stretch. Though, I guess that's not technically position, is it? Shoot, that's style. I think that's style, not position. Okay, hold on. Let me delete this. What is style? No. I don't think it lets you warp, now that I think about it. So I might just have to raise it up and down. So we'll do that. I'm gonna have to put something behind it then. I guess I didn't have to cut it. I could have just left it as part of the body and then just lifted it a little bit. But here, let's just check it out and see what it looks like, even if it has a break in it. Do pop. And then here, we'll go back to Alright. Uh-oh, hold on. Alright, okay. Should, it looks like I'm not bringing it all the way back down. What the hell? Okay. Oh, I just added a new one. Or should he be constantly breathing up and down? Or is it kind of just like... You said just copy the layer section and then make it 2 pixels larger. Yeah. Oh, show and hide it? Yeah, it'd be kind of weird if it faded in though. No, I think I could just do this, where I add it here. So now it has like a background. So it's like, see, yeah. It's moving too high. It's too strong. So I think I'm going to delete you. Let's go back here and lift it just once. Let's try that. Yeah, it's kind of like a huff. It's too fast. It's like a huff. As if I'm going like, huh. So let's spread these out a little bit. Still pretty fast. Still fast, huh? Let's go like way wide. Make it subtle. Is it not transitioning? Oh, it kind of is, but why is it not like going slow? See, look, it's not moving from here to here. Let's redo this. Something's not working on the positioning of this thing. So we're gonna go position. Then we're gonna go move up 1. And then we're gonna go move down 1. Oh, you know the problem? It's only moving a pixel. There's no transition. Because it's so small. Yeah, I'm starting to think, unless it's like constantly moving up and down, like where he's breathing, it doesn't make a lot of sense. So like, I'd have to do, you know, one up, one down. One up, one down, one up. So it's going to be like this. I mean, I know that transition's wrong, but I mean, that's more breathing, right? It still looks kind of weird, though. Because there's no, like, gradual... because he's so small. Let's see if I zoom it out to 160. How do I go to 160? Okay, hold on. I want to go to, like, the natural... Here we go. So this is how big it's going to look. Okay, yeah, at the zoomed out size, like the natural size, it's not so crazy. Obviously the transition from this to that, I have to do this. Oh shit, what did I do? Yeah. I have to do that because technically it goes back right after. So it actually should be... Oh, it's going too long now. I'm at the wrong cadence, I think. So this is down. Damn. This is up. This is also up. So this has to be moved to down. So let's redo it now that I have kind of like the right cadence. So we'll start down. He'll move to up. What did I do? Oh, I gotta turn this on. So he'll start down. I'll move it up. Then we'll go down. And then we'll go up. And then we'll go down. And then we'll go up. Down. Starts down. So then up. So this should be it. It's really hard looking at this damn timeline while I'm trying to pay attention. I think I could get away with, yeah. Yeah, I think I'm going to actually remove 2 of the movements. I think it's just too fast. Let's make sure we're at the right size. So we'll remove these last 2. Okay. And then we'll spread this out evenly. Alright. Let's make this so I can see the whole thing. There we go, that'll be a lot easier. Dot dot dot. Dot dot dot. Let's kind of scoot these over until it looks even. We're gonna go a little more over. A little more. Teeny. I guess it's getting in my way. That looks pretty good. Let's see. It still looks wrong. Wait, what is going on? So it's down, up, right? This is down. Oh. It's transitioning to up before it gets here. I guess because it's transitioning instead of just moving. So I should move 2 more. Make it much more spaced out. Let's see how that looks. The transition from this to up, though, I think that's going to be a problem. I need to get rid of this. Now he's just breathing heavily. Hold on. So I think we can do this. And then add 1 more for down. Because that's not down, that's up. So now let's add a down right there. And let's see how that works. Alright, I obviously screwed something up. Hold on. Let's redo these again. It's really hard to tell because it's so small of a movement. So if we go... boom. And then up. And then down and then up. Is it too slow, though? I mean, is it not enough breaths, do you think, to look natural? It's kind of like he's breathing heavily, like... Or he's like shrugging his shoulders at you slowly. Let's add 2 more and see how that works. So is that down or up? Hold on. Up. That's up. Down. And I need to go up again, right? Yeah, I need to go up again. Alright. Let's try this one more time. Let's see how this works. The spacing's definitely wrong. It's not even. It's almost like the ups. Wait, was this not going? Isn't this supposed to be up? What about adding some hand finger animation to promote flex keys? Adding some finger animation. You mean like when he's just kind of chilling? Have him squeezing the flex keys? That'd be funny. If you could see it, that'd be good. It could be like... If it was a bigger character, I'd definitely do that. That'd be funny. Yeah, I think maybe this needs to happen sooner. Yeah, exactly. You can click on it. Wait, what the fuck? Sometimes it glitches out. Yeah, what the fuck? Why is it doing that? It's going like... I can't get breathing. It's not doing what I want. I don't know why. Maybe go back to the heavy breaths. I don't know. Kind of seemed to do better. At least it was even, you know? This is a little faster. I'm going to scoot that over. Yeah, I think that's as good as we're going to get. And who knows what the, you know, the GIF output's going to look like anyways. Okay. So this is a pretty good idle status. I could just make it shorter as well. Which, let's see if I make the entire animation shorter. Then I can speed it up without adding more complexity. Let's try that. Yeah, that looks really good. Just a little faster. I like it. Okay, cool. So this is standing idle, facing right. Honestly, this is kind of just like the idle front position. He's not down, but this could be just like the, you know, when he's straight, not doing anything. It could be like that. Okay. So let's output this export as a GIF. Oh no. How big is this? This is wrong. Hold up. I need to, it's because all the other characters are so big still. I didn't make them smaller. Looks pretty good though. Oh my god, I know. I didn't mean to do it. I guess we can check what it looks like as a GIF. Oh no, okay, cool. It's closed it. Let's open all of these and make them the right size. Here we go. Let's make all you the right size so I can center you, and I'll put you on the same plane. Do. She's still too tall. He's still too tall. That's pretty good. Yeah, okay. Now let's move you on in the middle. And we'll do the same with John. No. Oh, punky. Oh, he wanted to go behind. All right. Jeannie, you also want to go behind? Goodbye. Cool. Now let's crop the whole shebang. All right. And let's just make sure we have enough space. I definitely need a little bit space for walking. I don't know how much I'll need, but we could start like this, I guess. Yeah, let's give that a shot. Yeah, okay. And now let's export Graham and his idle animation. And let's do GIF. That looks pretty good. His shoulder movements are very subtle. He's just like a little person. He's a little person breathing. Awesome. I just wonder if is it too small? I don't know. We'll see. I'm tempted to go up to 200, but for now, let's try putting this in the game because I just really want to see if we have the scale right. It's not going to work right now with the current implementation. Let's save. And put this in game creatives. And this is game static. And then let's do this. I'm going to... where's the character? I think I just hard code him in here. Right? Main character. Yeah. Yeah, see, I'm just hard coding this shit. So let's, I don't know. Let's just do game static. And let's throw this in there. Just so we can get an idea what it's going to look like. Yeah, okay. Let's check it out. Oh, I muted this. Nice. Good for me. Welcome to Orbem. Escape to Orbem. Yeah, okay, go. Okay. I guess it automatically changed it to a PNG because that's how the logic is right now. Because I'm not walking. But if I go down, it's not blinking. How come the GIF isn't working? Oh, he is in the thingy. All right, hold on. We're gonna need to yeah, well, let's resize him first of all. Is that hard coded as well? Yes. No. Top down dir. Static coordinates. No, I guess it's not hard coded. Wait. How's this work? This is good to know. Map character icon. Map character icon. Yeah, see, I'm hard coding the height and width, which I should just be using the character selector for that, and I shouldn't have to do that. But for now, what did I make the dimensions? It's 115, 185. 115, 185. 185. 115. Alright. We'll do that. And then here, in the whole like PNG versus whatever, I think I need to not do that. Just don't replace anything. Because by default, this is what happens. It replaces it with PNG. So I just won't do that. Cool. As you can see, this is all super built to change his animation walking in a very bad way. Alright. Let's see how it looks now. Alright. So he's not super crisp looking. I will give me that. Though the fist will be a much more realistic size now. But it looks pretty good in the game. Yeah, he's kind of blurry though, huh? Is that not the normal size? What is he coming out as? 115, 185. But see how it looks bigger on the screen? Oh, well, duh, because that's not an accurate. It is weird how he looks bigger because it's kind of blurry. Let me look at the image just straight out in Chrome. No, yeah, I guess it is. It is kind of blurry, huh? I guess he is kind of blurry. Well, this is 262 though. Like if I go 100, it looks way small. I don't get that at all, by the way. Because he's kind of like that on the computer screen. Am I zoomed in? No. I do like the size, though. The size is pretty good. Honestly, he's kind of big. So let's just make him smaller, which will make him crisper. But let's find out. Let's do auto. I don't think I have to define a height now that I think about it. So what's a good size? I mean, like, that's a good size, right? He is a little small. I mean... That's a good size. 90. And it looks a little crisper, too. I'm not mad at that. Okay. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Cool, so that's what we'll do. We'll just, we'll control the size and styling. I don't want to hard code it, but for now, we'll do 90, and we'll just keep height auto. Oops, that's not a real thing. That is. Yeah. Cool. I like it. Gotta get rid of that weapon, though. It's so dumb. Looks good. Yeah, the breathing, the blinking. Looking pretty good. Size-wise, he still fits in the map. Obviously, he is going to not fit through any of the doors. Oh, shit. Like, he too big. Oh, if the image breaks, he fits. Hey, that's actually good to know. I can do like a crouch button and just make the image smaller so it can fit inside collision points. Crouch. New feature. It is weird though that he's not, like, his animation stops when I move down. I think it's because it's constantly replaying the GIF. I thought I fixed that though. Like when you walk. Oh, I think it's because this. That's top. Avatar. Oh, this is probably it here. Avatar. That's because I don't have avatar in the name. Yeah, all this logic has to change. I don't need it. This is so hard-coded and weird to like swap the images out. Cool. Well, I'm excited. We have our first new asset animation. I think the next step, whoops, is, I mean, we have left and right static positioning, which is fine. We need walking though. So I think we can save a new one as a new avatar is walking. We'll make all walking in the same shit. So then I can basically get rid of all this stuff. All this animation can get out. I'll leave blinking, I guess. I just don't think I need... I think breathing might be weird while he's walking. Or should I leave both? I think blinking will be fine to keep while he's walking. More natural. But we'll need to subtract his legs. This is going to be a little hard. Because I'm going to have to do some major pixel stuff. Let's subtract some arms and legs and give him a background. Pixel cutout. We'll leave the shadow, I guess. We're gonna have to draw over that anyways. Pixel cutout. You know the fun part about this? I'm just gonna have to do this all over again when I change their outfits to the Orbem garb. Luckily, that's a long time from now. Which is funny because all my other avatars are only in the Orbem garb. Okay, so that's good. And we will basically just do a pixel cutout from his shoulder. Okay. So there's one arm. And now the best way to do this, I think, is going to be removing it. Okay. And then filling in... Wait, what? Oh, shit. His shoulders. Yeah, I don't need you to be up anymore. And then fill in the gaps, basically. With tenacity. We can go big on this one. Oh. I'm gonna have to rebuild that pocket. Let's just do a base of what his coat looks like. Yeah, something like that. And then we're gonna fill this in, and we're gonna have to redraw that pocket. And then let's grab some of this gray line. Fill in this area here. Let's grab some black. And go on the outside. Yeah, all right. Looking a little fat there, Graham. Not too bad, though. Still pretty natural. I guess a lab coat is kind of bulky, huh? And then, let's do the pocket, which I think it's gonna be kind of like this. And we're gonna need to kind of fill in these shadows a little bit. I don't know, what the fuck does a pocket look like? Something like that. Maybe a transition here. It's definitely not the pocket. Let's look at, what do the other characters' pockets look like? Yeah, it's kind of just like a solid color, huh? His is kind of covered up. She has her hands in her pocket though, so I should be able to see it. Yeah, alright. I guess I should just go light then. And it needs to be bigger too. But let's do bigger. And then let's fill it in mostly with white. Wow, wow. There we go, that's more of a pocket. And let's get rid of this, because that's confusing now. Let's check out another person's pocket again. Genie's is fine. Okay, and I think we just need to add some shading, basically. Like darker in the corners. What's Sigma and has a cat? Steam. Oh, it's you. I agree. Let's do that. And then we'll add a lighter layer in here. Kind of give it a little bit of an edge. And this is definitely not good. This can be on top. And let's go a little darker maybe on the inside. How's that for a pocket? Not too great. That's the real deck, dude. Let's add a little bit of texturing on this side as well. And let's do that. And that is fine. It's pretty good. I think that darkness is too dark though. This one right here. Let's see if we can go like that instead. Yeah, that's a little lighter. Do we have any lighter? How about this? That's a little lighter. Okay. And then we can do that. And actually go around, make it a little bit open. Yeah, alright. I'm okay with that. And now we have arm. Oh, nice. On the road. So, what do we do with this arm, you're asking? We swing it. Let's see here. You. We must swing you, arm. We shall swing you. So, in order to swing this arm, we're going to get some rotation going. I think position can do it. So like if we do that, and then we, oh no, I need the center point. Where's the center point dot? Rotate. Nope. Let's try it again. I guess maybe I can do it like this. Okay, it's not automatically. Yeah, this isn't working. How do I add a movement. Is that style? Considered style, maybe? Maybe. Style. And then go over here. And rotate. No. That didn't change either. I think I have to add a new thing. Motion. I think I need to add rotate. Counterclockwise. Yeah, okay. What is going on? Oh, transform. Yeah, I need that. How do I add transform? I want to add transform. How do I add transform? Layer. Animation. Does it have like an animation change? Layer style? No. Layer. Video layers? No. May not resize to fill. No, it added a transform to this. I want to do that. I just don't know how. How do you add transform to this list? What am I missing? Your book's coming along? Nice. Hell yeah. That's exciting. Transform. Free transform. Like, I want to make that a thing, though. But it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Convert frame. Oh, yeah. Okay. Frame from layers. Convert also. Alright, let's try to figure this out. Add transform animation to timeline Photoshop. Not motion. I want to add transform. Right click on your layer in the layer panel, shape layer. Convert the shape layer to a smart object. It needs to be a smart object. Oh, okay. You are now a smart object. Ooh, they were right. Alright, cool, man. Good looking out, buddy. We'll do that. And then let's transform. Still don't have a point. They used to have a little dot in the middle where you could move it to where you wanted it to rotate. But whatever. I guess I'll just have to do that. Okay. Oh, that's creepy. Did you see that animation? That's horrifying. I like it. Copy. Paste. Nope. There we go. Let's try that. No. Really wish you could copy fucking keyframes. I really think it's dumb. Oh, I could just do this. I can add another one right here. Doop. And then just put that over here. And put that over here. And now here. There we go. So now we have that. And we can so that's an arm waggle. Not too bad. Can be a little quicker. It's pretty good. Only problems now is I need the eyes. I need them to be facing that way. So let's do a quick edit on this layer. Burp, 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 burp. Unlock. Oh. Thank you. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to take use guys here. Okay. And I'm going to physically move the eye. Alright. Same thing here. Okay. And let's move you. And let's fill this in with white. And that should work. Perfect. Alright. I think I might need a little bit of this dark color over here, though. Alright. Now look at him. He's looking off to the right. Nice. Alright. So now he's looking that way. Still blinking. Arm waggle. Pretty good. And I'll basically can probably get away with this other arm not moving, but it's kind of already detached. So let's remove his other arm as well. Waggle behind the body a little bit, yeah. Not a big issue. Alright, you have been severed. Which is funny because he loses his arm. Okay. Yeah, now I can just kind of waggle it behind. Swaggle, swaggle, swaggle. We'll do that. And we'll do the same thing. Let's make this a smart object, because apparently it's the only way you can do that. And we'll start transform. We'll move his arm a little bit back. Okay. And then we'll copy this. And do the same thing. Okay. Ooh, that's a little weird. Hold on. Looks like his... I guess shoulder coming up is actually a good thing. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it's fine. Let's go to natural size. Oh shit. So let's do 160 is what we said. Okay, so here's like the natural size. It's like, did I miss it? It's pretty good. Kind of looks like his arm is raising when he... I guess that's kind of normal though when you're walking. Alright, Dak Dude, thanks for saying hi, man. Catch you in the next one. Have a great weekend. Okay. So now... legs. This is going to be the hardest part, obviously. Well, let's see what we got. Why is this locked? Okay, here we go. Give me your legs, buddy. At least what I can take. Give it up. I'm going to take both of them off first, so I can fill in the gaps. Do 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 do. Bop bop. I think the focus should be on the legs, right? Because they would have the widest range of motion. Yeah. Yeah, that's why. And I'm going to have to repeat all this arm movement because it's going to be kind of a... I'm probably going to need more frames for it. Okay. So, first off, let's fill in the little gap that the cutting adds. Okay. And let's split the legs into 2 parts. I think it's going to be like right at the crotch, I'm guessing. I don't need to go too fancy, like where I'm, you know, bending the knee and shit. I think I can get away with just kind of like swaying them a bit. We'll see though. I know my other animation, all I did was like make his legs go up and down separately. But now I'm gonna have to be a little bit more creative. We'll do that, and then this needs a little filler on the other side. Okay. Cool. Crotch is a little weird, but it's all black, so it's not a big deal. Yeah. We shall see. I know I can get really animated and move the shoes and stuff like that. I just want to see what it looks like, though, with some basic shit. Just to start. And then we can add extra ranges of motion. So, let's start just by moving this. I think I'm definitely going to need to, like, make this into a full leg. And then it's going to be behind the coat. So let's actually move these behind the coats, because his legs are behind his coats. So when he actually ends up moving it, you know, it'll be behind here. I mean, that's actually not too bad just by itself. Oh shit. Look at that step. He's ready to stomp your ass. Ridiculous. Yeah, this could get way articulate. Okay, so that actually works. Let's actually animate a step with that leg and just see what it looks like without even drawing anything. So we'll make this a smart object. Alright. And we're gonna do the same thing. Do some transforming. You have been transformed. And then we'll go up. Yeah, luckily the code actually helps us a bit. Alright. And we'll do the same thing, and we'll just go back to as if he's going down like that, like I just showed you. And just see what it looks like. A little weird. No. Go. It's pretty interesting. It's almost like a flash animation. Definitely gonna need a bob, a little head bob as well. Stomp. Stomp. And the arms themselves are gonna have to like go one way and then the other. I can't just do like the, you know, that'll look weird. But for the leg, it's basically up, and then it's gonna have to go back. So let's do this. Let's do another transform right here, where it goes back, where he actually takes the step. Yeah. Wait, what did I just do? Oh. Good. And, so yeah, it's kind of like this. No. It's got to go like this. I think I swapped it. It's so weird. Articulating legs is so weird. So it can't go from up to back. It has to go like up a little bit and then down and back. So technically I need to go down first. Flat, then slide back. Yeah, exactly. So maybe this was actually correct, but I think it just needs to be quicker. Like that. You know what I mean? It's just this is not like a good position. I just did it that way. I'm gonna redo this. More subtle. Like that. The problem is I'm gonna have to, yeah, definitely I'm gonna have to do some drawing. Yeah, so like this. That's more natural. I'll probably end up watching some like walking animation tutorials and finding some quicker tips. But that's pretty good so far. And then for the other leg, which is gonna definitely need some artwork, let's do the same thing. And let's see what kind of transforming I'll need. Because it's gonna go up, back, and right when this is back, I need to bring the other one up. So like right here, I'm going to need to bring this one forward. Which this one's going to have to be in front of the other one, obviously. Yeah, something like that. And we'll put you up there. There we go. So it'll be kind of like... Oh, whoops. I never started the transform. You idiot. Alright, yes. Yes. Let's start it right. Start it here. And then move forward. And do that again. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah, I think we can get away with this. It's not bad. Let's zoom out and just kind of like get a very early feel for the walk. So he's going to be like about that size. It's actually pretty good. If I just kept the motion going back and forth. Like if I do this. It's pretty good. Definitely needs some head bobbing, right? Which I mean I could do real quick actually. That's just some positioning. Where's the head? Let's do that. Let's do position. Let's do up. Why is it not working? Oh. Up. Down. Up. There you go. There's your walking. I bet if I did actually bring the shoulders into it, it might be even better. Do I still have the shoulder animation? Where are the shoulders? Arms. I don't know. Arms, legs. Oh, right here. Yeah, you can do the same thing too. I can just do position. And maybe just less. I can go up. I guess I'm gonna have to go up, down, up, or something. Yeah, something like that. Same with this. This is gonna have to be a little spaced out. Okay, here we go. Walking. Oh yeah, now the shoulders move with the head. That kind of makes sense though, right? Cool. So it's definitely going to need some extra drawing to get rid of some of those gaps in between the legs. And then I'm going to have to do a proper right leg being stepping down. But then that, and I probably speed up all the movements to make them really short. And I could put that left and right walking, and I think this is good to go. Sweet. Welp, it's been a fun Friday, but I'm going to bed. There's a play date coming to my house, so I have a lot of cleaning to do tomorrow. Everybody, thanks for hanging out. I know we didn't do any major coding today, so, you know, people aren't really interested, but yeah, man. Thanks, Game Doodle. You are always valuable. Your opinions and suggestions help. You have built this game as much as I have, in spirit. So, yeah, everybody, have a great night. Have a great weekend. I'll see y'all on Monday. Probably have some stuff to show you during the weekend anyways. Some prints and everything. A lot has happened with the business side of it. You know, I've got it registered. I've got the bank account. I've got the credit card. I've got all the stuff ready to start. Really getting the products listed. I just need to finish the trademark system. Get it trademarked so I have a brand. And yeah, I started printing some final products. Made some really good. I made a new airflow laptop optimizer stand with the diamond pattern, and it came out great. So solid. So I'm going to print all the other ones in white with the diamond pattern, and then we'll be able to start taking some final product photos because I kept changing the design. And yeah, thank you everybody. Thanks Game Doodle. Thanks Stack Dude jumping on. Everybody else who's jumped on and watching this in the future, have a great night, have a great weekend, and I hope to see you guys in person. So subscribe, follow, all that stuff. Bye.